Hello my dear friends. In this video, I would like to provide you some simple basic breathing techniques. Here, I am trying to combine breathing as well as mindfulness. If you combine breathing and meditation, the benefits are enormous. Just as you know, the benefits of breathing and meditation are you are going to feel stress free, your stress will be considerably reduced, your whole body metabolism will be perfect, your digestion will be proper, your blood flow will be proper, your blood pressure will automatically come down, your brain function becomes normal, whole body functions become normal, your body becomes detoxified, you get better sleep. Breathing also relieves pain, emotional pain as well as physical pain up to some extent. Digestion will be considerably improved, digestion process will be considerably improved. It also improves your body's immunity. Keeping in mind the all considerable benefits of breathing as well as meditation, in my clinical practice, I have come across or I have seen people gets benefited in this particular three breathing and meditation exercises which I used to provide them. I would like to give you this for your health benefits as well as mental health benefit. As you know, this breathing and meditation techniques will be beneficial for people with stress disorder, anxiety disorder, panic disorders, OCD, and for even depression. This is a combination of breathing techniques as well as mindfulness meditation. The first breathing technique I would like to provide is please sit on a place. I prefer sitting mainly because the body posture will be perfect for a person to breathe properly. The lungs expansion will take place perfectly. So sit in a quiet place where no one disturbs you. You have to make sure that no one disturbs you. You can sit there, and before that, the best music for meditation is always the music which you likes the most. So you have to prepare yourself by collecting musics and songs which are liked by you, which you like the more, and keep it in your Android phone or your smartphone in a particular folder or location. Then when you start this particular meditation process, this breathing meditation process, you can do it either in the morning or in the evening or whenever you feel like. There's no particular timing for this, but make sure it is always better if you do it in the morning. So you'll be sitting in a quiet place where no one is disturbing you. This meditation may take for around 15 minutes to 20 minutes. You sit in a quiet place, erect, then start breathing slowly through your nose and you have to exhale it through your mouth. Now, what kind of breathing is suitable for you? Is it slow breathing, fast breathing? Definitely it is slow breathing is suitable for you. Idea here is the relaxing breathing, slow and relaxing breathing. That is what is very important. So you can imagine a person who is sleeping sound. A person who is sleeping sound, how will be his breathing? There will be a rhythm for his breathing. It will be slow and steady. That particular breathing pattern you have to accept. And while doing this meditation, you are also going to do the same breathing pattern. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth in a systematic pattern. Just inhale for around 3 seconds. Hold it for 1 or 2 seconds. Then exhale it through your mouth for 3 or 4 seconds. Hold it for another 2 seconds. Again inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Continue doing this for 10 counts. 1, hold, inhale, hold, exhale, hold position. That particular cycle, that is called one cycle. You have to do 10 cycles of this particular breathing. Then you have to use a headphone. I am not speaking about earphone, I am speaking about headphone. Use the headphone on your ears and start playing those songs which you like more while you breathing this way. So try breathe slowly. Once you get the pattern, your body automatically adjusts to the breathing and it automatically does it. Now your duty is to listen to the songs which you like most. These songs, let it play on your ears, on the headphone. Just close your eyes and listen. Close your eyes and listen to it. While listening, try to observe the music, try to observe the lyrics, and if possible, try to observe the scenes of that particular music. If it is sung by people, you can listen to the lyrics. If it is only music, just listen to the music. And if it is music, people along with other sceneries, you can try to bring your attention towards these sceneries which are already inherent in that song. This way, you are actually doing a mindfulness meditation and as well as your breathing. You can continue this particular breathing and mindfulness exercise, breathing meditation exercise for as long as you want, but the idea is to bring it at least 15 minutes per day, morning and evening, that is twice a day, 15 minutes at least. This will give you all the benefits which are given by meditation as well as breathing. The second breathing and meditation technique I would like to provide you is just as the same. The only difference is you are not going to listen to songs. Sit in a quiet place where nobody disturbs you. Start breathing through your nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Slow, shallow, just like how a sleeping person does. Now close your eyes. 10 times you do the breathing and then close your eyes. Slowly bring, or you are imagining that you are going to a temple, you are going to a mosque, you are going to a church, wherever you feel like. You can even go to a garden, you can even go to your seashore, wherever you want to go, whichever is your best place for you to be peaceful and calm. You have to imagine going to that place in a step-by-step manner. You are going there, breathe. Entering the gate, breathe. Watch the flowers out there, breathe. Watch the pillars out there, breathe. Like this. Then watch if you are going to seashore, then observe the sand in the seashore, breathe. Observe the people around there, breathe. Observe the seaside dwellers out there, breathe. Observe the birds flying there, breathe. Observe the sun out there, breathe. Observe the water out there, breathe. Observe the water lashing on the shore, breathe. Observe the children playing there, breathe. Like this, each and everything you are going to observe, or you are going to imagine that you are observing. Observe the color, observe the brightness, observe the dress, observe the shadows, observe everything whatever you feel like, and you are doing it along with your normal breathing. Earlier you did that 10 breathing, then your breathing became normal, your body took over, then you are actually imagining that you are going to a particular place. As I told you, you can go to garden, you can go to temple, you can go to mosque, you can go to church, you can go to seashore, wherever you feel like you can go there. And this particular imagination mindfulness breathing exercise, it is supposed to be 15 minutes, but you can extend it by another 5 minutes or 10 minutes or whatever it is. And this is going to give you immense health benefits. Third breathing meditation exercise I am going to provide here is, it is breathing and mindfulness body scan. This you can do by laying down on a bed or on a floor, on a couch, wherever you feel like. Relax, be comfortable when you lay down. Then, as in the same way as I told earlier, take deep breaths as a person will be doing when he is soundly asleep. Do this breathing for 10 times, taking through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Do this 10 times. Close your eyes. Now you are going to scan the whole of your body from the fingertips of your legs to the head of the body. That means you are going to take one finger at a time, one leg finger at a time. Say it is relaxing. Second finger, say relaxing. Third finger, say it is relaxing. Fourth, fifth finger, one by one you take. Again the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the left fingers, left leg fingers. Then go to your legs, make it relax. Then to the ankle, relax. To the foreleg, relax. To the knee, make it relax. All this time you are breathing deeply when a person is sleeping. So this kind of slow breathing as well as scanning the whole body and asking it to relax, you are going to take it from the fingers, leg fingers to the head. You can delay it as much as you can. The idea is you are going to reach each and every part of your body step by step, one by one, and imagining that the body part is relaxing. You can do it in 5 minutes, you can do it in 10 minutes, you can do it in 15 minutes, maybe 20-25 minutes, all up to you. The more you do, the better your health will be, mental health as well as physical health will be. As I have told you, the benefits of breathing meditation are immense, but you may not be able to see the benefits immediately. You will have to practice it consistently. But I can give you my word, if you practice it continuously for 1 month, you will be seeing a lot of benefits which are slowly emerging, and I can assure you, you will not be able to come out of it, because of course coming out of it is never a question here, because it is beneficial for you throughout your life. So make sure you do it consistently.